Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi, and here is Jen Jen. And here is my mom. She got here today, finally, to do a recipe for us.
Another recipe?
Yeah, another one, because she's got a lot of recipes on the cooking show. Okay, today, what are you going to make?
I'm going to make minute steaks with gravy.
Oh, that sounds good.
That sounds great.
I'd like to say that it's good to be back on the show. I didn't know the next time I'd be on here that it would be with Jennifer and Sheila, but we didn't know that Steve would be gone, so.
Well, we're so glad you're back on.
Yeah.
So
And
anyway,
I'm glad to do it with you.
I'm gonna make minute steak and gravy, and what we do, we take our minute steaks and we cut it just in little pieces.
You got oil in the pan.
Got oil in the pan.
So in this bag, we have a mixture of what? A flour?
Flour, onion powder,
Uh-huh.
garlic powder, salt, and pepper.
Okay. So then you're going to take these little pieces and you're going to dip them in egg and
Milk.
Okay. And how much egg and milk did you put in there?
I put one egg and just a little bit of milk, not very much.
Just a little bit. Just a dab will do you.
Right.
Okay. And then you just dip those,
And then put them in there.
shake them in the flour. So she's already got a couple pieces already chopped up here.
She's well on her way.
She is. She's got this ready. She was already prepped and ready to go before we even got here.
Yeah. Okay, and we're going to shake it up.
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, 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 and bake. But this is going to be shake and fry.
Just shake and fry.
Shake and fry.
And then,
I'm going to get down in there and find them.
So we've got that on what, a medium heat?
I think I've got it on. I can't do it that way. Oh,
okay.
Just get your hands dirty, Mom.
I think that's what I'll do.
You're
Just get them
cooking-
dirty, dig in.
You're cooking like you do at home, aren't you?
Yeah.
Like everybody else does.
That's what
at home.
everybody else does. Might as well just
Yeah.
dig in and put them in there. That looks
Okay,
good.
We got to get this show on the road.
We gotta get this show on the road, she says. All right.
You left the kids out in the car, didn't you, Mom?
Yeah, I left the kids out in the car. I
She
said,
left the
"Hurry
kids
up."
out in the car. We gotta get this thing cooking. So you're just dropping each one of those.
Right. Just drop them in, let them start frying.
Drop them in and let them fry.
Okay.
So you get that good and brown. And then we're ready to put it in the crock pot, right?
Right.
Okay.
After it's done.
Those look good like that. Just have that in a salad or something.
Mm-hmm. She's flinging them.
Get out of the way.
She's flinging them across into the crock pot.
This is how you cook when you just get off of work.
That's right. Just fling that stuff over there. Get it done so the family can eat.
Yeah. Yeah, one time she was down there and she was cooking and she said, Steve's gone hunting right now, but he sure does like that venison.
Venison? Sure does like that venison.
I never have dealt with venison.
Venison. It's all the same.
It's all the same, dear.
That's slang for venison. Just
Yeah.
venison.
Yeah,
Just it's a shortcut.
yeah.
That's right.
That's a nickname, isn't it?
It's a nickname.
Okay, we're going to make some brown gravy here to go on the mini steaks.
Brown gravy.
Brown gravy, and we'll let them soak up in that.
So you've got oil in there, and you've got
Flour.
flour. Okay. And that's vegetable oil. It is.
It is
And you
what it
got
is.
warm water we're gonna pour in now.
Uh-huh. We're going to pour some warm water in there.
Okay. Wow, look at that thicken up. As soon as you add the water, it just thickens right up.
But we're going to get it pretty thin on the minute steak. We got to get this the right texture to pour it in over the minute steak. If we don't, well, it will just gob up and won't do nothing.
Okay. It'll be so thick we can make little balls and throw them at each other.
I'm going to start getting the biscuits out or something here in another minute.
Yeah, you could get some biscuits now and put it
Yeah.
on that and put your minute steaks on that and
When I was
Pour this
little,
over it, too.
when I was little, I still do this too. If I ever have gravy and I put it on a biscuit, then I sprinkle sugar on top of it.
Really?
Yeah.
You like that sweet and salty?
Yeah, sweet and salty together. It's really good that way.
So that's about the right consistency there.
Right, that's about the right consistency right there.
Pouring.
Sheila's gonna pour that right on top.
Get a spoon out of my way. There you go. You get burned by it. There you go.
Doesn't that look good?
We've had it cooking for about 45 minutes in here, staying warm and tender. So we're gonna open it up now,
Okay.
see what it looks
And
like.
that's 45 minutes on low?
45 minutes on low.
Okay. Doesn't that look good?
And then we're gonna dip us out a little bit here.
Okay.
Mmm.
That's for one. Okay, that's good for the
Okay,
one.
I'll take that one over here.
Okay.
I'll trade you.
All right, here's one.
Looks good, Mom.
Thank you. Now this goes good on creamed potatoes,
Cream potatoes,
mashed potatoes.
mashed potatoes, okay. Or even biscuits it would be good on, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, biscuits would be real good.
Biscuits would be real good.
Then I could sprinkle some sugar on.
And then Sheila could put her sugar on top for her sweet and salty fix.
You know me, I like everything that's got sugar on it.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. And of course, you can salt and pepper to taste, whatever your liking is. That's
Yeah, that
really
is
good,
good.
Mom. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for liking and sharing
And subscribing.
and subscribing.
And on Facebook and
Yeah,
Twitter.
visit us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Cooking with Shotgun Red. And don't forget to submit your recipe, and if we use it on our show, we will send you a free DVD of the Shotgun Red Show live.
Right,
Right.
right.
All right.
Right.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
Mom.
You're welcome.
Here, let me have that knife. You're gonna kill me with that. Okay. She's gonna kill me with the knife. Okay. So in this bag,
I just had this sinus. Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.
just keep your head up. Just do the.
Okay.
This is Mark, and I'm fixing to show y'all how to cook.
As long as her nose stops running.
Yeah. Go ahead and tell us what you're going to do today.
But who are you?
Me, your daughter. Don't you
okay.
remember?
Okay.
Who are you?
She didn't tell. She
Yes,
didn't tell
who are
her.
you?
She didn't tell her name.
Yeah, she did.
Oh, did
She
she?
said hi. This is.
Okay. All right, listen. Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Yeah. Hi, this is Sheila, and here's Jen over here, and
Here's you.
and me.
The other blonde.
Oh, look at the peroxide we got going.
I know, we got some serious peroxide
And
working.
this
It's
one's-
like all shades.
And
We
this
got
one's
shades.
real. This one's real right here.
The
Yeah,
shade
I'm real.
girls.
Hers are real. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.